Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a small love bite for you for this weekend of the 28th to the 30th of August. This is a general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, we're a small little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all zodiac signs. So do join us. We welcome you in. Subscribe to the channel. And Aquarius, these are going to be small readings, just 3 cards each. Your September reads are going to be up soon, so look forward to those. They should be up and running soon. So let's see what's coming up. Your feelings, their feelings, and your mutual feelings. Page of Swords, okay. 8 of Cups, Justice, and the Death in reverse, okay. King of Cups, 10 of Cups, and the High Priestess. 8 of Swords, 7 of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. So somebody returning, Aquarius here, somebody returning to bring back some kind of balance to this relationship, it seems, wanting to come out of this hung place, stuck place that they've been in. Now they're enlightened and they feel, yeah, I want to go back to this space. I want to bring back justice in my life. Yeah, this must be a stable, long-term potential kind of relationship, and somebody is returning to bring back, happiness back, and they don't want this to end. They're trying to hold on to the ending if, you guys have been fighting or whatever. Yeah, person A has thought long and hard, and they've decided, yes, this is important to me, right? This relationship is important to me. It's my committed relationship, and I don't want to fight anymore. Okay, so person A is trying to return and bring back some kind of stability into this relationship. One of you has been keeping, or maybe both of you have been keeping a watch on the other till now. So the other person is in the King of Cups energy. I'm just going to pause it for a second, put the battery charge on. And I'm back. So here I have the King of Cups for person B. Spirit, King of Cups. Normally King of Cups is a man full of love, but I don't think they're feeling very happy right now. Yeah, King of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Cups. So there are two people here who do love each other, Aquarius, but both of them are not feeling very happy. Maybe there's some pride and ego issues here between the two of them. It seems like, even though the Queen has a cup of love in her hand, she's got her cup covered, and the King here has a bow and arrow in one hand and the cup of love in the other. Both are trying to manifest some kind of victory here. Okay, both trying to manifest some kind of victory here, maybe come back together again, because I don't think anybody is happy here. So why are they not happy, Spirit? What is this 10 of Cups? What's this 10 of Cups for person B? Somebody sent me see this self-inflicted tension and stress is what is kind of blocking these two from coming together. There is a little bit of ego involved here, even though they both want the same thing, I think. Both have a lot of love for each other, but it's seeming that, at least to person B, the masculine, I think here, is feeling that this is all wishful thinking, this is never going to happen. And they know somewhere that they are at fault. Okay, the masculine knows that somewhere they've done something. Maybe they were rash or brash, or maybe they were third parties, or they were playing around or something, and they didn't bring any stability into this relationship, and that's why this masculine is so stressed out right now. Okay, even though they're trying to manifest a victory with this Queen of Cups. And before I go into your mutual energies, Aquarius, somebody reached out and asked me this question, that what is this masculine and feminine energy? Now, I'm not saying man did this and woman did this. The point here, Aquarius, is that we all have masculine and feminine within us. each of us. So say two men are in love or two women are in love. Even in that equation, there is one who embodies or uses more of his masculine side and one the feminine side. The feminine would be more nurturing, caring, emotional, okay? The masculine would be more analytical, taking charge of things, getting things done. So that is the difference between a masculine and feminine. So sometimes in a man-woman relationship also, the woman could be embodying more of her masculine side, and maybe the man is a softer, gentler, kinder, whatever person. So he could be using more of his feminine side. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm saying. That's why I always call them person A and person B. Not a man and a woman or anything. But yes, somebody who's in their masculine energy knows they've done something wrong here and they are very, very stressed out about it. And they are trying to, keep a watch on this person to see what this person is going to do. Are they going to now drop me altogether? Or are they going to come towards me? They are praying and trying to manifest something to come back together. Let's see your mutual energy. Yeah, mutual energy is the same 8 of Swords, right? This was in the masculine's person B's 3 cards as well. So this weekend I see you, or 2 of you, pretty stressed out, very emotionally strained, stressed. But there is a possibility of somebody coming in with an apology this weekend, which is very nice. Okay, yes, because of this apology that will come, Aquarius, all this confusion just may come to an end. So please, if you're waiting for somebody to come forward and bring you an apology, Aquarius, yes, there is a big possibility of having a fresh new start here, and this offer will come in. It will be slow, it will be solid. Okay, I hope it happens this weekend for you, Aquarius, if you're going through something like this. Yes, because there is a lot of love here between the two of you. There is a lot of love between the two of you. There is a strong possibility of a rebirth of this relationship. So if something has gone wrong here, Aquarius, I think you guys are going to have some clear-cut communication, or at least the masculine is bringing in some clear-cut communication that is going to end all these stressful nights and crying and feeling upset. And yes, there is a possibility of a fresh new life, fresh new beginning. And yeah, King of Cups is upright once again with the Queen of Wands, and long-term stability is very, very possible. So if something is happening between the two of you, and of course to every couple it will be a different level altogether. Maybe some people have just had a little spat or a fight and you're in different rooms. Some people could have just moved out to their own space. But I see there is a big possibility of a comeback here this weekend with a little apology and thing. So let's take an angel blessing card for you as well. What do my angels want to say to Aquarius for this weekend? Yeah, this is just a temporary pause, Aquarius. Nothing much to worry about. Even if people have had a little fight over something, this is just a pause. It's not the end. So just be brave through it, and things are going to be fine. Don't worry about it. So that's all I have for you. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you soon for your September read. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.